guys, it's your girl Candace, and today I'm going to show you guys how I took a small space and turned it into my very own office. So, to anybody that's a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. Thank you so much for joining. But anybody that is new to this channel, thank you for coming. Thank you for choosing to watch my video. Go ahead and click the subscribe button and make sure that you click that post notifications bell so you aren't missing any new content. So let's get into it, y'all. This space right here was basically originally used for pictures that we haven't hung up. It was used for our YouTube stuff. It was just a space that was used for basically storage, and it's in our room. So it always was looking like a hot, cluttered mess. So right now, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to declutter this mess because I'm going to start getting ready to build my desk. Y'all see these little tables? I got them from Five and Below. And I was like, okay, just for temporary, I can go ahead and put my computer on top of these. But, y'all, them things start wobbling and bobbling and stuff. And I'm like, like my Mac is not about to fall in here. So, girl had to do what she had to do. Probably a good thing because it was looking a bit ghetto, child. Like, Alright, let's get into the deets of my desk. So this desk I actually found on Amazon, y'all, for $119. Not that bad for this kind of desk. It's all glass, really pretty, guys. I had to get it in white because y'all know me. I like to feel so fresh and so clean. It's okay. This desk, I think, was supposed to come like a week later or a few days later. Just let's say this desk came super fast, like within like 3 days fast. But this is the Millie White X-frame glass and metal L-shaped computer desk, guys. It's super easy putting together. I would say when I got to the little L-shaped part where you guys will see coming up, I did have a little trouble. I wish that I did have someone just on standby to kind of help out when need be. But other than that, this desk was really easy putting up. I want to say altogether it probably took me like 30-45 minutes. So if you guys are interested in getting this desk, then I would definitely go ahead and add the link below in my description. So you guys can go ahead and catch that, baby. Alright, my love, so I have completed being Bob the Builder when it comes to this desk. As you guys can see, it didn't really give me any trouble at all. One thing that I don't like is it doesn't have any like covering towards the back to where you can cover those cords, and never did I think about it where it was like, oh yeah, my cords are just gonna be like out there in plain sight. So I am working on getting like either some drawers, like file cabinet drawers to put underneath there, or get, you know, the covers for cords. So I've been looking at some things on Amazon. I'm just really undecided. Anything that you guys see on my desk as far as like the light or any accessories that I may have, I will link them below in my description. As far as like the accessories, where the cup dispensers or the little paper clip holders, that stuff, guys, I got from the Dollar Tree. It's just temporary. Y'all already know I love my gold, so everything will be white and gold on this desk. So I'm just looking into some things, and I will do an updated video for you guys.
For, I want to say, I don't know if it was her last birthday or the one before, but it's like a real tea set with the Fiesta, so it's like real actual breakable dishes. So I've been keeping it in here because I was like, I wasn't old enough to play with this yet. I'll just save it until later, but I think this would be the perfect time to break out the tea set. But yeah, even though this
Jordan!
but just doing it
Nina!
Scale, I guess. The craft room makeover video. The craft room is looking
Hurry up!
today. We are current room video. We made progress on it, but we didn't.
Hurry! Alright guys, so I'm just telling y'all right now, the decor is from like literally 4-5 seasons ago. Okay, this is just stuff I had laying around. I knew what direction I was going, but I really just wanted to hurry up and get my office together. So right now I'm still looking for a lot of gold decor, like little splashes of green, like it's gonna be cute, y'all. So definitely I will be doing an updated office organization video, whatever you want to call it. I will definitely be updating this look. Right now I'm just trying to, declutter everything and get what I can in order, just so I can have a comfortable office kind of setting, if that makes sense. All right, guys, so let me be honest with y'all. This chair literally had got here that day. The day that I'm putting it together, it got there probably 5 minutes before. So I already had this video edited and ready to load for you guys, but because the chair came, I said, no. let's go ahead and get it a little more fancy and, show them my chair. So I got this chair for Wayfair. I'm going to put all the deets into the description below so you guys can go and get this chair as well if you want. It comes in abundance of colors. I was thinking about getting orange. Then I was thinking about making my room pop and doing red. I wanted to do emerald green, but I went with the gold and cream. Y'all know me. I'm always doing colors that I know I'm going to regret later on, but for now, I'm in love. This chair was super easy to put together, guys. It literally took me like 15 minutes. You can do it too. Look how cute that is. Alright guys, so thank you so much for watching. If you stuck it through the whole video, you might as well go ahead and comment down below your favorite part of this video and anything that you think that I could do better. Also, if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for watching and supporting me. If you are new to this channel, go ahead and press the subscribe button and make sure that you're pressing that post notifications bell just so you don't miss any more videos. Now guys, once again, thank you so much for staying tuned with me, and I'm going to see you guys in the next video. Be looking for that update.